for the 2 dumbbell RDL, it's just going to be like any other RDL. We'd probably coach it the same way. Some key points here are I want to make sure my first movement is hips back, but as I do that, I don't want to lose my toes and start falling back here. I want to make sure I maintain a flat foot, right? So our 4 points of contact are going to maintain pressure on the ground equally. As I push my hips back, my head stays in a straight line, and I'm not arching my back really hard, right? I want to think about a nice straight back, straight spine as I bow. So if I pick up the dumbbells, weight's going to stay right in front of me. I want to think about dropping the dumbbells straight down over the ball of my foot. Right, so I'm not letting them get too far away from me. You can think about almost brushing up against your shins as you drop down.